Hi guys, this is Pong from Rochester Outdoor Club, here doing an unboxing of Vello BG-N4 battery grip that's designed for the Nikon D7000 SLR camera. So let's open this up. Okay, so this looks like it's the AA battery adapter. This looks like it's the grip itself. And here we have the instruction books. Alright. So that's pretty much it in the box. So what I'm going to do now is try to fit it underneath my camera and see if it works. So I think according to the instruction I'm supposed to take this out. Got that. And then plug this in. Let's see. And lock it up. Yeah, that was pretty easy. That's it. It feels pretty good in my hand. It almost feels like it's part of the extension of the camera. And let's see. Oh, here's the battery cartridge, the extra one. Now this will take a standard battery from the standard battery that came with the Nikon D7000 camera, but as I said, this also takes regular AA batteries, and I do have these in-the-loop batteries, rechargeable ones, so I'm going to put these in. It looks like it takes 6 batteries, so I might need to go grab 2 more, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got 2 more batteries. It looks like that's it, so push it back in. Snap it down. Yep, there's a little indicator. I don't know if you can see it or not. It says BP, I guess that's for battery pack. So it looks like this is working. The cool thing about this is when I'm holding the camera, if I'm holding the camera like this, I can shoot pictures like these. But before, if I'm shooting vertical, I have to hold the camera sideways to push the trigger. With this, it actually came with this trigger on the side, so you can actually hold it like you're normally holding a camera. And yep, that's working too. So, alright, I'm going to test it out a little more and probably write a more detailed review on this, but so far it looks like it's working. So for follow-up reviews on this, just follow the blog rockwith.us, and thanks for watching.